Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
Sometimes the city lights or background scatter ahead of you can cause confusion when you're trying to find a light or buoy. You can use a method called S.T.O.P to verify your next aid to navigation when sailing or motoring from buoy to buoy or light to light. Follow these 4 easy steps. Once you arrive at a known buoy or light, stop the boat and hold your position. This will be your first step for sailing safety. Plot the magnetic course to the next lighted aid to navigation. Turn the boat or take a bearing to that heading. You should see the next aid to navigation dead ahead, and be sure to time the light and use your spotlight to confirm the color, name, and shape of the aid. O is for orientation of the big picture before moving on. Turn off the spotlight and check the visual picture again. If necessary, repeat the steps above to verify and confirm the next aid to navigation. P is for proceeding only after fully oriented. Keep ahead of your boat and verify the color, name, and shape of each aid to navigation as you pass by. Now you know how to use the power of stop after dark to find aids to navigation in difficult coastal piloting situations. Use easy sailing navigation tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.